Declutter your Apple Music library and keep it fresh by removing those outdated or unwanted favorite playlists. Let's start with deleting a favorite playlist on your iPhone or iPad first. Open the Apple Music app. Then, tap on the Library tab located at the bottom of your screen. Now, select Playlists. This will bring up a list of all your created playlists. Find the playlist you want to delete and swipe left on it. A delete button will appear. Tap Delete. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to delete the playlist. Confirm your decision by tapping Delete Playlist. The playlist is now gone from your iPhone or iPad. Now, let's move on to deleting a playlist from your computer. Open the Apple Music application. In the sidebar on the left, find and click on Playlists to display your list of created playlists. Locate the playlist you want to remove. Right-click on it. A context menu will appear. Select Delete from Library. A confirmation window will pop up asking if you're sure. Click Delete Playlist to confirm. And just like that, the playlist is removed from your Apple Music library. Now you know how to easily manage your playlists across all your devices.